Okay, so I got everything clean so we could do a couple overheads, a little bit of a slanted vertical, another vertical, couple overheads here, and I stiffened it up a little bit in the back, and so we'll just go get some scrap, throw some shit together, and make it funky, and let's test everything out. Okay, first we're going to start with my little 125. I really don't like how it runs because of the wire that's in there, but this is normally where I have it when I got some good wire in there. And I'm going to start with back here, hitting this spot right here. So we'll go ahead, and you can see there really ain't nothing on there, but let's go ahead and turn on some lights so we can see what we're doing. Baka chaka chaka! Isn't that cool? So now you can see a little bit. We'll go ahead and I'll take a little brush to it. And bam, and then let's go ahead and put some frou-frou on it. Just so you can see, it does get hot. I mean, this is 1/8" steel, so it's not super thick, but that little son of a gun right there, it gets more than enough to get through this stuff. So it can burn thicker. You just got to know what you're doing. So I'm gonna do the other half with the MIG. Okay, so let's see how that is. My vertical with MIG wire ain't the best, so just bear with me. Yeah, so you can see my vertical on my MIG isn't the greatest, and that's vertical up. If I vertical down, it'll look a lot different because I'll burn it a lot hotter, and but I'm burning it 17 volts, almost 18 volts, and 150 on the wire speed, so 150-inch welds a minute, which is pretty slow, so, that's something I got to work on, but with my flux is where, that's where my bread and butter is, and I got slag on there, but let's go ahead and do some stick welding.